you.
I know, I was like, that's not what he said.
I'm losing all my senses and things like this. Can't hear, can't see. I'm terrified. And you just know. You just know. All right.
You understand me? Nobody is safe and welcome. I have a woman.
Let me out. Let me out. Something about like the pig head really freaks me out. I don't know like what specifically about it, but that scared me.